This is how to buy an iBond from Campbell and Company. iBonds are backed by the U.S. government and the bond doesn't lose value. Its variable rate is set every May and November, and you can only buy them directly on the U.S. Department of the Treasury website at treasurydirect.gov. Available amounts start at $25, and you can invest as much as $10,000 per year. Although there are some exceptions, like the ability to get up to $5,000 paper iBonds as part of your federal tax refund. You can't cash in the bond for 1 year, and if you cash one in before 5 years, you'll lose the previous 3 months of interest. At Campbell and Company, we recommend considering iBonds when inflation rates are higher than the bank interest rates. Once the bank interest rates are higher than inflation, the bonds can be liquidated. The interest is taxable at the time the bond is cashed in. Please consult your CPA or tax professional for tax planning as well. On your computer, go to Google and in the search bar type treasurydirect.gov. This is the government website you buy iBonds through. Once on the website, choose How to Buy Series I under the Green Individuals banner. On the next screen, scroll down a little bit and choose Treasury Direct, a link under How Can I Buy iBonds. On the next page, you'll choose Open an Account. Click the blue button at the bottom that says Apply Now and select the type of account you would like, most likely an individual account, and click Submit. This is where you will enter all information pertaining to the person owning the account. So you will need to know Social Security number, driver's license ID, issuing state, the expiration date. You'll need to know complete address, all contact information, and banking information. Once everything is submitted, you will choose the box at the bottom, agreeing that all of the information you put in is correct. So make sure you double and triple check everything. The next page will give you a chance to review all of that information, so make sure you are absolutely positive it is all correct, because it is a bit difficult to change. If you notice something is wrong, you can choose the edit button at the bottom, but if everything looks good, you can click submit and move to the next page. The next page will be selecting your personalized image. This will be a photo that pops up after you enter your account number to make sure that you're entering the correct account. So make sure it's an image that you'll remember. For this example, we chose a picture of a cow and the caption, "I love cows." But you can choose flowers, you can choose a hammer, anything that will remind you of you, and then choose submit. On this page, you will enter your password. Passwords are not case sensitive, so it will need to be at least 8 characters without spaces, at least 1 letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. And then you will enter a password reminder. This will just help jog your memory if you forget, and 3 security questions. Make sure you write down everything you put on that screen, your password, your reminder, and your answers to the security questions. And then once you hit submit, you have opened an account. Shortly after you open an account, you will be emailed an email from Treasury Direct that will have your new account number in it. So you can go back to the Treasury Direct home screen, choose My Accounts under Individuals, choose Login, and enter your account number. Your account number will most likely start with a letter and then 9 numbers. The next screen is an OTP, or one-time passcode. The one-time passcodes are case sensitive, so you will need to make sure you type it in exactly how it is emailed to you. And once you type in that passcode, you can choose the box underneath it that says click to register your computer to make sure you never have to enter a one-time passcode again. But if you were to try to log in on a different device, you will need to enter a one-time passcode. So you can see in the example, it is being typed exactly how it was emailed. And then click submit. So you can see the same picture, a cow, and the caption, "I love cows," as used in our example. So that's how you know you've entered the right account, and you are going to want to make sure that matches. If that photo and caption do not match, do not move forward. And then enter your password. You are going to need to use the keyboard on the screen, so just click the letters and the numbers using the keyboard on the screen. You've now come to your account. You can see all of your account information. As it is displayed, you'll be able to see any sort of money you have in your account. To buy an iBond, you're going to go to the top and choose Buy Direct as circled in red. and that is going to take you to a page to select what you would like to buy. To buy an iBond, you're going to select Series I, which is the second from the bottom, and it's going to bring you to the information page. To add a registrant other than yourself, such as a family member or significant other, you click Add New Registrant. This is so that in the case something were to happen to you, somebody else can access the money. You will be the first name registrant, and whoever you are adding to the account will be the second name registrant. They will only be registered for the specific iBond you are buying, not any you buy at all. You will be the primary owner, so at the top, just select Primary Owner. And then on this page, click the drop-down box and make sure you are selecting your name with the person you have registered. If you would like to register by yourself, you do not need to do that. You can just select your name. Under that, you're going to enter the money amount you want in the purchase amount line. So you're just going to type out the number, no commas, with a period and 2 zeros to represent the cents, and then choose your bank from the drop-down menu. It will be the bank that you put in on the initial information page. And then from there, you are done. You can click Submit, and you are good to go. That is how to buy an iBond from Campbell & Company.